I'm Michael Braunstein from Physics. A software tool called Inkscape has become an indispensable part of my teaching. I want to share with you a little bit about my experience using it. Some significant features of Inkscape include that it's a vector graphics editor. This means that the resolution of any drawings you make will be preserved as they are scaled. It's free and open source. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. You can import and export a variety of drawing formats, and there are additional tools for formats not listed here. It's powerful and versatile, and it's well documented and widely used so that answers to almost all user questions are available somewhere. This is a screenshot of Inkscape with a drawing in progress in the canvas. The drawing tools are displayed on the left-hand side of the window. When a tool is selected, controls for that tool are displayed in a horizontal bar near the top of the window. There's a menu for commands at the top of the window, and commands are also available in icon form at the right-hand side of the Inkscape window. The object menu is currently open to display options for that menu item. Dialogues for commands are displayed in a docking area at the right-hand side of the Inkscape window. At the bottom of the Inkscape window is a status bar showing the status of the currently selected object. Inkscape is a powerful and versatile tool, and there is a significant learning curve for using it effectively and efficiently. Graphic representations are, of course, a way to communicate a great deal of information. Inkscape has become indispensable to me in preparing curriculum materials. I've used it in preparing lectures and other forms of media for teaching, in preparing reading assignments and lab handouts, homework assignments, across the platform in Canvas for assignments, quizzes, discussions, and pages, in preparing exams. I also use Inkscape to edit, amend, and correct other curriculum materials when I feel they are incomplete or incorrect. Taking control of graphic representations I use in my curriculum materials using Inkscape allows me to be very precise and consistent in using drawings to address learning outcomes. It also allows me to easily and quickly modify a graphical representation I've used in the class for a different context, for instance, taking drawings from a reading and using them in an exam. And finally, Inkscape has sufficient capability that it can be used for certain types of technical and academic applications outside of simply preparing graphical representations for curriculum materials. I haven't completely explored, much less exhausted, the technical capabilities of Inkscape. Some of the technical capabilities I have used extensively include precise alignment of graphic elements, also its detailed labeling facility, including support for LaTeX, quantitative positioning and orientation of graphic elements, quantitative graphic representation of mathematical functions, and a comprehensive variety of graphic elements for technical and conceptual representation. I created and/or edited all of the drawings in this presentation using Inkscape. Simply put, Inkscape has become an indispensable tool in my teaching toolkit.